Also, do you have any suggestions? The core will not reach with the neopixel pins to the actual blade. Everything is lined up correctly, and I watched all your videos on it. I have the claw and everything assembled. I've already had it all put together. I've checked everything as far as anything impeding the electronics. I don't see anything. Look inside, you can see these line up. On your video it said it didn't matter. Again, it looks like these pins do not stretch far enough with the design of this electronic or this plastic core to make contact with the blade. So I'm putting that all the way in as it's supposed to go. The blade I'm using is a blade that doesn't have really any room from the PCB. It's like at the very end, so it's easy to touch the pins.
It's just bad these days.
And when I put this in here, there is no, it cannot get to the pins. Again, this is all the way in, and there is no contact. I don't feel the spring or the bounce back from the pins.